Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Today, I want to talk to you about Activecampaign. But first, I need you to do something for me. I need you to subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you get messages when I send out new videos on a weekly basis. 2, share and like. And I do thank you for supporting my channel. Today, let's dive into Activecampaign. I've done a full review, written review. You can check it out. It'll be the first link in the description if you want more information. This is going to be kind of a rundown, quick review. So let's just dive right in. It's really good marketing software, e-commerce. It's all automated. You know, it's very user friendly. So I mean, it's some really nice software. You can do e-commerce. You can do the B27 companies, which is basically, it just depends on how they classify it, but it's all just, marketing and stuff. And this is the thing that right here, I want you to see. It says one-on-one training for free migration or more. You can get a 2-year price lock. It doesn't matter if it's this company or any company. Most companies will have a price where you can pay for monthly or yearly, which is a little cheaper. But if you don't see anything in there about, say, 24 months, you can always call customer service, look for the number and call them. They'll probably have a cheaper rate if you do that. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't matter what the product is. If it's it could be anything. So if you're paying for it and you want to pay for it by the year because it's cheaper, which is what I recommend. Anything like Activecampaign, Bluehost, Aweber, any of those, GoDaddy. A lot of times it doesn't matter what the software is, but a lot of times they will if you talk to them, you'll get a better rate the longer you go. And just keep that in mind. But here, you can personalize your emails. You can really make it nice. So you can automate everything. As you can see right here, it kind of looks like a little tree. You just drag and drop stuff in there. It's really nice. It's really going to make it really simple for you. It's a little bit of learning curve, but you're going to get the training. It's pretty rare that that people do training with stuff like software like this, but you can get it. So don't hesitate and try it out. Get your free trial right here, and we can check out some prices. And you can see, I think the trial is like 14 days or something like that, so you can try it out. Most of this software doesn't matter what it is. It's all has to do with how big your email list. Now, if you're just starting off and you're looking for software and you think Activecampaign is a good fit for you, just remember, if you don't have a list, you're going to pay, a small amount. But if you look right here, as your list gets bigger, you're going to pay more. So if you're buying solo ads or your email list, as it gets bigger, so does the price. So just keep that in mind. If you go for the small one, the light, you'll get you're going to get one user. Of course, you get everything you're going to need, but it's not going to have as much to it as it would if you go up in price. So just keep that in mind. You might not get all the testing that you need. So usually the one that's a little lower, you don't have everything that you would like to use. Landing pages. If you go up to the plus, you get 50 landing pages. Templates already. All you got to do is drag and drop them into place. So they got e-commerce. You can integrate Shopify. BigCommerce. You got all these right here. Integrate with 870 leading customers. So I mean, you got, just look. I mean, you are covered with this software, no matter which way you go. So just keep that in mind. It is, I think it's some of the best out there, uh, and that's just my opinion. You know, but I'm just letting you know. Every software that you look at, doesn't matter if it's Aweber uh, or Chipmunky and some of those other ones. They're gonna be, uh, they're all based on how big your list is. So just keep that in mind when you look at this. If you're brand new, and just keep in mind that, okay, oh, I can get it for $9. Well, that's that's if you're staying under 500 emails. But you really want, the whole goal of that is so you grow. So, and these prices will automatically go up as your list goes up. So, if you get over, 501 to 1,000, you're gonna pay $29. Depends on which one you go. Professional, you get a lot of bang for your buck for the professional. So you may want to look at that. I mean, it does a lot more, has a lot more. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at stuff. Is it worth the extra money right now? I know a lot of you may be thinking, money's tight. I'm just starting off. So I need to keep it cheap, and that'll work. The small one works but as you get bigger, the price will get bigger. So just keep in mind. And once again, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you want the full-blown version of my the review, just click the first link, and you can read all about it. I highly recommend this. It's good software. It's user-friendly, so don't be scared of it. At least try it out. You got a free trial. If you don't like it, you can move on to something else. So you really got nothing to lose. But once again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little like button, and hit the little bell so you get all my weekly notifications. Like and share, and I do thank you for supporting my channel.